Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm not going to show my face. I have about 15 minutes to do this video, and I want to be able to do it without having to edit. So we're going to be investing in some stocks today. We're going to be doing it with fractional shares. You see down here I have about 128, 129 bucks. And so let's get started. I'm going to buy a whole share of probably my favorite dividend stock, and this is Realty Income. Now remember, this was under 50 bucks. Let me know down below if you were able to catch this under $50, okay? Because this was like really insane. It was placed and it was purchased. So we have one share of Realty Income. You can see we have 147.50. The short-term goal is 150, so we're almost there. But look, we're still down 18%, but we're just going to continue to just invest when we can. We're not going to stress out about it because honestly we are buy and hold investors. I also want to get another share of, let's see, where was it? Maine, because that's another monthly paying dividend stock. I will go over this in a few minutes. I just want to make sure I get a share before the market closes for $40.19. This is for Main Street. This also pays every month. And fun fact, this paid out an extra dividend in September, which is also great. You can also see down here, now we have, let's see, 114.17 shares. We are up about 1% or so. Again, the market is the market. It's been really bad lately, but we know, that's just how it is. We're going to just continue to invest and not worry about anything like that. And then I think the final monthly paying dividend stock I want to buy just for this video, because I don't have a whole lot of money, is STAG. This also pays every single month as well. I have some buying power of $37.48. That's how much I have to invest. So this one share I'm getting is $34.57. So I'm going to review order, just get one share, and I'm going to buy. My order was placed and purchased. Click done. I'm going to come down and you can see we have 28.10 shares. How many of you guys remembered when we first started investing in this about 2 months ago? And look, at 28 shares, and that's about $971 we are down about 2.5%. But again, we buy and hold long term. So let's come back to the front page, and we have $2.65. So with Robinhood and probably a lot of the other brokers, it is after hours. It's about 7:56 p.m. Eastern Standard. The stock market does allow you to buy and sell stocks up until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, though the market does officially close at 4 p.m., but it's after hours that you can do this. And so you cannot buy anything with fractional shares after hours. It has to be between 9:30 a.m. Eastern and 4 p.m. Eastern. But again, I want to show you guys how this account is doing. You just saw me invest in 3 monthly paying dividend stocks: Realty Income, Main Street Capital. Let me bring up Realty Income again. So you can see Realty Income has not been doing great at all. The past week, it's up a little bit. It's nice to see that, considering, the beating it's been taking. The past month is down about 5.32%. The past 3 months, look at this, 15%, guys. That's how much is down. No, 16%. And then year to date, about 20%. Again, this is all directly related to the rising interest rates, okay? So Realty Income is in the real estate sector, but the company has been around since, literally, you can scroll down here, since 1969. It was founded, but it has been traded on the stock market since 1994. It is a dividend aristocrat. This company is known as the monthly dividend company. So they are consistent with their dividend. And again, I am buying and holding, my husband and I, for the long-term future. We are not phased by this at all. Yes, we're down about $1,600 in this account, but we're just going to buy DCA, and we're just going to bring our average cost down. So every time we buy when the market is red, this $62 is just going to continue to come down. I'm hoping to put a nice chunk of money into this early next week. That way it'll bring this average cost down to maybe $60 or something, but we'll see. And you guys will see that video when I do, post it and make it. And then Main Street, I wanted to bring this back up as well. You can see, let's see how this has been performing. The past week, it is down, not a whole lot, but barely. Past month, down about almost 2%. Past 3 months, this is down about, again, not bad. I mean, it's not taking as much of a beating as Realty Income, which is nice. Year to date is actually up. So look at this. This is what diversification is so important, because if you put all your money in, let's say, one or two stocks, you're not diversified, right? Because your portfolio is not protected. So you don't have to have 1,000 different positions, but you should have, like, in my humble opinion, again, I'm not a financial advisor, but you see the real numbers, at least five. Again, because you want a diverse portfolio. Even if you're into funds, you want to have diversity among that as well. But you can see year to date, this is up 7.5%. The past year, oh my goodness, Main Street is just doing excellent. Like, look at that, almost 20%. Let me scroll down. You can see that our average cost is $39.77. We have 114.17 shares, so we're almost at our short-term goal of 125. And then we're going to just continue to, build from there. I have been loving Main Street because of the special dividend that it pays out. So I think it paid out one in June and it paid out another one in September. So we got two dividends. Let me see if I can find it. Scroll down, scrolling. Yeah, we got one here. Let me see if I can show more. Okay, so you see Main Street's dividend history here. So you can see that we did get one for October. So you're getting a sneak peek. We got $26.44 for October. But if you come down to September, you can see, let me actually go here so that I can kind of make this a little easier. You can see for September, we got two. One on September 15th for $25.42, and the other on September 28th for $30.57. So again, this is over $50 in dividends in 1 month from Main Street. And guess what? That's how much the stock costs. The stock is like 30, what is it? $40. Our dividend in September got us over a whole share of the company. So that's something that I really, really, really do love. And then coming to STAG, again, another monthly paying dividend stock that we really do like. This is a REIT. So the past week, down about 2.23%. Past month, about 5%. Past 3 months, almost 9%. Year to date, it's up. This is surprising to me. Like, STAG and Main is up year to date. So Realty Income, again, diversification. That's, I think, why our portfolio isn't crashing. Is because we really worked hard to make sure that this thing was diversified. Because, with market volatility, a lot of fear, having a diversified portfolio is so important. And yeah, this is up year to date too. You can see we have, again, 28 shares. We're down about 2%, 2.44%, but we're going to continue to dollar cost average and continue to, buy and hold like we always have done. But guys, I'm just really excited to see the growth in our portfolio. Let me know down below how your portfolio was doing. Like, let's say in October, right? The markets have been kind of sideways. And it's a little crazy out here. Now we have, a possible conflict, in another country. And so, that impacts the stock market. So let me know how you guys are feeling in terms of your portfolio, your positions. Let me know what you're looking to buy, what you sold, anything on your watch list. I'm excited to chat with you guys in the comments, because your journey is just as important to me as ours, because we're building a community over here on my channel. We're building like-minded, just average, regular folks who want to achieve financial freedom. And I'm hoping that we can get there together. Like, whatever your goals are, we can get there together. So yeah, we're kind of back up to almost $52,000 in this portfolio year to date. I believe we're up barely, because again, the markets are the markets. But again, we just buy and hold. Guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like and share this channel with your friends. If you have a YouTube channel, share the channel for me if you find any value into this. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers, and I really can't get there without all of you. So again, thank you so much for your support, for your love. And again, if you have any questions, let me know down below. But until next time, You already know. I'll see all of you in my next video. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.